1. Northern Lights. The celestial dance in the sky. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, occur in high-latitude regions near the Arctic. These mesmerizing light displays are caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with gases in Earth's atmosphere. The color variations, green, pink, purple, depend on the type of gas, with oxygen producing green and red hues and nitrogen creating blue or purple. This natural wonder has been observed for centuries, often inspiring myths and legends. 2. Bioluminescent bays. Oceans that sparkle at night. Bioluminescent bays are a magical phenomenon where the water appears to glow bright blue or green when disturbed. This effect is due to microscopic organisms called dinoflagellates, which emit light through a chemical reaction. Some of the most famous bioluminescent bays are found in Puerto Rico and the Maldives. The glow is brightest during the new moon and calm weather, making the water seem as if it's filled with stars. 3. Morning glory clouds. The sky's rare tube waves. The morning glory cloud is a rare meteorological phenomenon primarily seen in northern Australia's Gulf of Carpentaria. These clouds appear as long, tubular formations, stretching over 1,000 kilometers and moving at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Formed by a unique combination of sea breezes and pressure changes, these clouds are most visible between September and November and are a dream for glider pilots due to the strong updrafts they create. 4. Blood Falls. Antarctica's eerie red waterfall. Blood Falls is a unique waterfall in Antarctica's Taylor Glacier. Its deep red color is due to iron-rich water emerging from the glacier and oxidizing when it comes in contact with the oxygen in the air, creating a blood-like appearance. This phenomenon has intrigued scientists for years, as the water comes from a trapped subglacial lake sealed off for millions of years, providing a rare glimpse into an ancient, isolated ecosystem. 5. Rainbow Mountains. Earth's natural paint palette. The Rainbow Mountains in China's Zhangye Dansha Landform Geological Park and Peru's Vinicunca are famous for their vibrant, multicolored hues. These colors are the result of different mineral layers, iron oxide, copper, and sulfur, built up over millions of years in the sedimentary rock. Tectonic activity and erosion then expose these layers, creating the stunning visual effect of rainbow-colored mountain slopes that draw tourists and photographers from all over the world. 6. Volcanic lightning. The firestorm in the sky. Volcanic lightning occurs during some volcanic eruptions when the ash clouds spewing from the volcano become electrified. Known as a dirty thunderstorm, the phenomenon is caused by static electricity generated from friction between the ash, rock fragments, and ice crystals in the plume. This rare and dramatic display has been observed in eruptions like Mount Sakurajima in Japan and Mount Etna in Italy, making it both a breathtaking and dangerous spectacle. 7. Sailing stones. Rocks that move across the desert in Death Valley, California. Some rocks appear to move on their own across a dry lakebed called Racetrack Playa. Known as the sailing stones, these rocks leave behind long, mysterious trails, despite no human or animal intervention. The mystery was solved when researchers discovered that thin ice sheets form under the rocks at night, and when these sheets break apart and melt in the sun, the rocks are pushed along by gentle winds, leaving visible tracks. 8. Penitentes. Ice spikes in the Andes. Penitentes are unique ice formations that look like rows of sharp, blade-like spikes. Found at high altitudes in the Andes Mountains, these ice pinnacles can reach up to 5 meters tall. They form when intense sunlight causes uneven sublimation, a process where ice changes directly from solid to gas, without melting. Penitentes are named after the Spanish word for penitents, as they resemble people kneeling in penance, often appearing in large fields. 9. Catatumbo lightning. The world's longest storm. Catatumbo lightning is a near-constant thunderstorm that occurs over Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela. The phenomenon, known as the Lighthouse of Maracaibo, can last for up to 10 hours a night and up to 300 days a year. The lightning strikes are so frequent that they can produce over 1 million strikes annually. This phenomenon is caused by the unique topography and atmospheric conditions in the region, where warm trade winds meet cold Andean air. 10. Fairy circles. Mysterious patterns in the desert. Fairy circles are strange, barren circles of land surrounded by grass in the Namib Desert of southern Africa. Ranging in size from 2 to 15 meters in diameter, these circles are believed to be caused by either termite activity or a form of plant self-organization. Although the exact cause remains a topic of debate, The regular patterns they form across the landscape have fascinated researchers and locals alike, inspiring myths about their supernatural origins.